Hola everyone, hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I will talk about environmental Kuznets curve, a hypothesis which is quite interesting and relevant to the present times. So let's dive in. Now, the Kuznets curve hypothesis, given by Simon Kuznets in the 1950s, was initially given as a relationship between economic growth and economic inequality seen in the society. But the concept was extended to environmental context as well. The hypothesis states that various indicators of environmental degradation tend to get worse as modern economic growth occurs, until per capita income in an economy reaches a certain point over the course of development, and consequently, the environmental indicators start to show an improvement. In simpler terms, Kuznets' curve suggests that the solution to pollution is economic growth. Sounds strange, right? Anyway, we see an inverted U-shaped curve between environmental degradation on y-axis and per capita income on the x-axis, with a turning point at a certain per capita income level, beyond which environmental indicators start showing an improvement. The turning point per capita income can be different for different countries. Some environmental indicators do follow the trends of the Kuznets curve. It has been seen that levels of air and water pollution have shown an inverted U-shaped curve with a rise in per capita income, with decreased level of environmental pollutants seen in developed post-industrial economies. But the applicability of Kuznets curve is quite debatable, as some of the environmental indicators show more degradation with rising income levels. Energy and land resource use may not fall with income rising levels. Another criticism for the hypothesis is that it is difficult to define the turning point income level, as countries keep aiming for higher per capita income targets rather than prioritizing the environment. It is also debated that the Kuznets curve is not applicable on a global scale, as a net pollution reduction may not be occurring globally. Wealthy nations have a trend of exporting the activities that create the most pollution, like manufacturing of clothing or furniture, to poorer nations that are still in the process of industrial development, while those poorer nations who are developing won't be able to export their pollution levels. While there are widespread criticisms on different aspects of the Kuznets curve, it is still an interesting hypothesis, trying to form a relation between economic growth and environmental degradation. It was given by Simon Kuznets at a time when environmental conservation wasn't at the top of everyone's list, and started a conversation in this area. Well, that's it for today. I'll see you again in the next episode where we'll dive into another environmental topic. So until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep smiling. Adios.